Guys, do you want to make cinematic video using AI video maker and CapCut using AI model Seedance and GPT image 2? In today's video, I will demonstrate. First, you can download their software from the website link in my video description I have given. Now you can check out AI image and AI video maker and many other. We are also going to come, and this is the software you can check out where multiple AI models have been given. You can create the account using Google, QR code, Facebook, and we have created. Now I am going to show you how to create AI image. First, we have to use AI model and describe what type of image or scenario you have to describe here. Select the ratio and quality. In this section, after giving the prompt successfully, we can easily click on the generate option and task is going to implement. You can check out. We have given here a complete prompt to make different scene. There is also scenario has been given. You can easily check out like a short movie. I am going to making this one. And if you want to turn this whole like generation as image into video, then here is also turn into video. I am going to use Air AI video, and then Dramina Seedance 2.0 is going to making with high quality. Yes, there is also 4K high quality for 15 seconds long. And next we are going to click on the generate option, and then it will be added and it will be in queue option 2. So we are going to apply for it. Task has been generated. Once it will be done, I will show you final output. You can also check out like there is also now video is also ready and it looks great according to our need, and I will also show you now output. I hope you understand, and now I am also coming into this like a GPT image 2 to create an other scene as an other scenario based video. So I can also show you not just only romantic, you can also make some action as well as there you can also create the video like a movie. So first I am going to create the images like a hero is going to save heroine from the villain. Here are the scenarios that has been generated in an awesome way by GPT image 2. And we have now creating into video. So they're turned into video using the Seedance 2.0 in the high quality as well as for a long time and 16:9 ratio to this image to implement. Once this task is going to be, and I will also show you final output because this is also in the queue. You can easily check out there. I have shown you, and you can also go ahead. This is your edit track where you can add any like here are the transitions effect. You can also implement on it. You can easily do edit as well. Now our final result is ready that you can also check out. It is really a good thing that we have provided in the prompt size. Yes, here we have given into this generated AI, and this is using Dramina Seedance 2.0. Even we have generated different number of prompts for different actions that we have created using image GPT-2, and I have now shown you final output on the screen that we have created using Dramina Seedance 2.0. You can also check out this is your editing track line that you can also edit the transitions. Everything I have already shown you, but you can also go ahead to this. Like if you want to spill it out, you can easily proceed. And this is the next part that we can also place here. And in this way, you can also go and you can easily check out. So everything is also possible. If you want to make in another layer, there are also many other options. Like here is a complete interface. So this is not just your editor. Here is also what type of content you want to create that is also possible to generate. And I hope you understand. If you have any question, Are curious still? Guys, we are also very excited to get experience with Seedance 2.5 that is launching in early July in CapCut, where we will also create up to 30-second in single video generation and up to 50 multimodal references asset as well. So if you are on the CapCut, download it right now and be a member on it. If you want to edit your video with professional, then you can also download it, and using GPT Image 2 and Seedance, you can create amazing content. Check the link in video description I have provided. Thanks for watching.